Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in a work truck trim and powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Fresh out of detail as well, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any of the cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 114,418 kilometers. And moving on to the steering wheel, on the left side, you have your cruise controls. And then in here, you have this sort of knob and button to cycle through your information, such as your digital speedometer, trip information or trip mileage, fuel range, fuel economy, tire pressures, oil life, transmission fluid, trailer brake, engine hours, and then settings. Then moving on to the left, where you have your trailer brake controller and your lighting controls. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is actually an aftermarket Pioneer stereo with a touchscreen display, and it is Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your climate controls here, pretty simple, easy to use. Then you have your traction control shutoff and your cargo lights. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving down further here, you have a 12 volt power outlet and then a 115 volt power outlet, I believe. You have this compartment here for storage. Then down here you have your 4x4 shifter. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have three cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with two USBs, SD card slot, and a auxiliary and 12 volt, so you can hook up your audio or plug something into power or charge from there. Lifting this up and out of the way, it becomes your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.